In this video, we're going to show you how to create a date and time program using your Sketchbook2 software for your Mark & Box electric pin marker. Okay, let's get started by dragging out a text field. And again, we're just going to roughly locate it onto the grid. And then we're going to select More Options. And under More Options, we're going to go under Calendar Settings. Under Calendar Settings, we have Year, a 4-digit, a 2-digit, and a single-digit, Month, 2-digit, single-digit, Date, 2-digit, single-digit, along with Julian dates. And then under Time, we have hours, minutes, seconds, as well as shift options. For this example, we're going to be doing a 2-digit month with a backslash, a 2-digit date with a backslash, and a 2-digit year. Once we have that finalized, click Done. Now that we have our date information entered into the text field, we can now go to the adjustment part. For our height and width, we're going to change our height to a 3.5 millimeter. Our width we're going to leave at 60%, and our spacing we want to change that to a 3.5 for this example. Then we can move on to our force and speed. For force, we're going to go to advanced settings and change that to a 20, and our speed we're going to change that to a 20 as well. After this, we can go to our location. And for this, we're going to change our X to 3 millimeters, and our Y we're going to move to 4 millimeters. Now we can move on to our time settings. Okay, let's move on to our time section. We want to click and drag out a new text field. And again, we're going to click More Options and select Calendar. And for this, we're going to select our hours and then add a colon, and then go to Minutes. Click Done. Now we have our information of our text field set. We want to change the settings for that text field. So for height, we want to change that to a 3.5, and our width we're going to leave at 60, and we're going to change our pitch to 3.5 to match the above text field. For force, we want to go to advanced settings, change our force to 20, and our speed we're going to line that up with 20 as well. Now our location, we want to match the above text field, so our X location is going to be 3 and our Y is going to be at 12.5. Now that we have everything finalized, we can now go on to marking our date and time tag example. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.